Hello boys and girls, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to make your lips chapped. Now why on earth would anybody in their right mind want to make their lips chapped on purpose? I'll tell you why, because the ladies dig it. Nothing says kiss me than having your lips look like the outside of Deadpool's ass cheek. Queries of the interweb. What's going on? Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interweb. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss anything. In other news, I got merch. I got all kinds of merch. I got tees, hoodies, mugs. Frickin' Charlie merch is available too. You like that frickin' Charlie mug? Look how sad that face is. Grab your queries of the interweb and frickin' Charlie merch only at my official merch store. Links are in the description. It's a great way to support the channel. Of course, being subscribed and watching my stuff is support enough. But for those of you who want some cool ass merch and want to really help me keep doing what I do, link is in the description below this video. You can go grab some merch. Now, let's talk about how to get your lips chapped on purpose so that you'll get all the ladies in your school just drooling over you. What are chapped lips? What does it mean to have chapped lips? Another name for a chapped lip is called cheilitis simplex, or common cheilitis. Any cracking or peeling of the skin on or around your lips is considered chapped lips or simple cheilitis. We're learning stuff today. We're going to school today. We learn, like a family. Chapped lips happen when your lips get too dry. So that's really what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the various ways that you can dry out your lips so that they can get chapped. Now keep in mind that if you don't want your lips to get chapped, just do the opposite of what I'm telling you. Now if you're like me and you live in Indiana, wintertime sucks. Exposure to cold or dry air is a really good way to dry out your lips and get them to be chapped. So here's what I suggest you do. Go out into your winter cold air and just pucker up. Just ooh. I don't know. That's just a suggestion. Exposing your lips to the dry, cold air is going to go a long way to drying out your lips and making them chapped. Another way to make your lips chapped is to lick your lips. Constantly licking your lips will dry out your lips as well. Your saliva contains the stuff that initiates digestion, so it's going to eat away at your lips if you do it too much. In fact, if you really want to screw up your lips, lick your lips and then go outside into the dry, cold air. That's like double trouble right there. Another way to dry out your lips is to breathe through your mouth. Constantly breathing through your mouth is going to dry the crap out of your lips. You're supposed to breathe through your nose. That's why a lot of people, when they get a cold or a stuffy nose, their lips end up getting a little bit chapped as well. If you want your lips to get chapped, you need to be constantly breathing through your mouth and licking your lips and exposing your air. Exposing your air. You don't want to expose your air. Exposing your lips to the cold air. And this is kind of going to wrap it all together, okay? Dehydration, low moisture. Take your lip balm or your lipstick or your lip moistener, whatever it is you have, toss it. You don't need that crap. You're getting chapped lips today. If you've gone a while without drinking any liquid and it's winter and cold and outside, you're gonna dry the crap out of your lips. If it's a hot summer day where you live, go kiss a sidewalk, okay? I mean, don't, but you could if you were an idiot. This is the make your lips chapped cocktail. Lick your lips, breathe through your mouth, expose your lips to cold air, and don't moisturize. Do not moisturize. Moisture is your enemy. Huh? Now that you know how to make your lips chapped, go do great things, alright? The future is really depending on you. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you in the next video. Peace!